Priya prepares book bundles for newcomer families at a community center. If she makes 5 bundles, 16 books are left over. If she makes 7 bundles, 2 books are left over. How many books are there altogether? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here's a hint. Both plans leave extras. Compare the 2 piles. The difference is what matters. Let us draw both plans. Plan A makes 5 bundles with 16 books left over. Plan B makes 7 bundles with only 2 books left over. Both plans use the same supply of books. What is the gap between the 2 plans? Plan A has 5 bundles. Plan B has 7 bundles. So Plan B has 2 more bundles than Plan A. The first 5 bundles match in both plans. The last 2 bundles in Plan B are extras. Here is the new idea. This time, both plans have leftovers. So how much more did Plan B put into bundles? Plan A had 16 left over. Plan B had only 2 left over. The difference is 16 minus 2. That is 14 books. Those 14 books filled the 2 extra bundles in Plan B. Now we divide. 14 books divided by 2 extra bundles. Each bundle holds 7 books. Now, back to the real question. How many books are there altogether? Use Plan A. 5 bundles hold 7 books each. That is 35 books, plus the 16 left over. The total is 51 books. This is the difference trick. It joins the family of leftover, shortage, and swing tricks. When both plans have leftovers, subtract the small pile from the big pile. The difference fills the extra bundles. So per group equals the difference divided by the gap. The bridge is the same in every excess and shortage problem. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.